And welcome back, everyone. You might remember I did a video some time ago about the sleep Bluetooth headset. That's the MD558 wireless, and it's actually quite nice. I like it, but I did run into a few issues. One, the mic was really bad, but that doesn't really matter too much. And the next problem was the connection. It will start breaking up after like 20 minutes. And most times the left side is going to disconnect. But when I use it in bed, because I like to listen to music or some rain or wind sounds at night. So I decided to give it a second chance. So I ordered a new one, or at least that was the plan, but I said I'm going to go for the black one. And it came, but it's slightly different. So this one is the MD538. Turns out this one is the, where is it? The 558. So it's too bad. It does look the same, more or less. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing, and then I'm going to test it out, and I'm going to come back with a review in a few days. I believe it's the same, more or less, maybe like. So let's just take a look real fast what you get. Okay, I'm gonna see if I could keep this video short. It is, yeah, it does look, the case is more or less the same, but it is smaller. So, okay, I was gonna like, okay, I got an empty package. This one. Oh, they look even smaller. Okay. They're smaller. Yep. Oh, okay. It's even smaller. So I'm gonna. Oh, look. This one is green. Oh, nice. It's light. It's a little bit lighter than this one. So, okay. I'm gonna look into it. This is what you get in the package: just a USB-C cable, a short one, and a case, a black case. So I'm gonna test it out the coming days, check the battery life, sound quality, and I will get back to you to tell you if it's just as good as this one or even better, and if it's worth getting, in my opinion. Okay, see you back in a bit. And welcome to the part of the video where I'm going to share my experience with you. And it's actually 6 months later, believe it or not. A little bit of time, and these days I have even less time. Some of you know why. If not, I will explain it to you at the end of the video. So I'm just going to refer to it as the black one, or the white one, or the 538 and the 558. So let's jump right into, but first of all, it is a little bit smaller. As you can see, I was wondering if it was a little bit smaller. It is a little bit smaller. The case is also a little bit smaller, and both of them are really light. Doesn't really make sense to mention the weight, but I might. But it's extremely light. So fit and comfort. This one does fit way better. It's way secure, way more secure. Of course, it's going to depend on you. It's going to depend on the shape of your face, ears, those kind of things. But for me personally, this one does give me a better fit. If I was gonna take one of these on my bicycle, it would be this one. However, if I'm just sitting down, chilling, this one is way more comfortable. And it is a tiny bit looser, so maybe that's why, but maybe also just because of the shape of it. Both of them are using physical button, but this one is way easier to press on the 538. This one, just because of the way it's located, is a little bit more difficult to press and to do the same. It's basically play, pause, and skip forward and skip backward. So yeah, What about the microphones? The mic was really bad in this one. It's a tiny bit better on this one, but that's like a 1, that's like a 2. So a tiny bit better is still not really good. So what about the battery life? Well, in my first test, first of all, a full charge is going to take 90 minutes. And in my first test, what I got was 1 full charge, and the second charge took me up to 90%. However, after that, I got 1 full charge, and then the display would like get stuck at where it is now, 60 or 68%. And sometimes I would get like 50% charge, sometimes a full charge, and sometimes even more. So it's going to vary between 1.5 and 2.5 charges. So if you're lucky, I guess you might get even more. And playtime, playing at 50% volume, I got 4 hours and 7 minutes. So it's almost on par with this one. So let's talk about the most important thing, and that is actually the music quality. And before I start, let me just say, you could agree with me, or you could disagree. No one is wrong, no one is right. Sound is subjective. We like what we like different things. So, in my opinion, the music quality is flat. That's it. Not really good flat, but flat. Sometimes kind of lifeless. So, I could go on and on and on, but it doesn't really make sense. It's just flat. It doesn't really react that well to EQ. You will notice a difference, but it's not really that good. That's just my opinion. I'm going to be short. If you're going to choose between these two, and music is important, then you go for this one, because this one is actually good. And like I said, when I say good, I'm not talking like Samsung or Sony good, but just good for the price. And even for the price, it's good. I'm not going to say it's good for that price, but in general, it's quite okay. This one, like I said, just flat, where there's a bit of separation in this one between the bass and the mids and the vocals. I'm saying like it's excellent. And this one, everything is just kind of like rolled up into one. It's really warm. You could almost call it muddy, but it's still okay. I mean, don't get me wrong, sound is coming out of it, and you will know what people are saying when they're singing, but it's just not, it's just, it's not really that great. It's just like everything, the sound is just coming out of like a tiny cheap speaker, and yeah, it doesn't really sound that good in my opinion. So yeah, that's my opinion. What's really good is the connection, Bluetooth quality. That's really good. So if you actually use it the way I use it, just in bed to listen to some, background music, or like some rain sound, rain, wind, or whatever, then this one is actually quite better because the connection is really good. I would say it's good up to like 8, 9, 10 meters. So definitely, if the music is not that important and you want a good connection, and you really want to choose between these two, because you could also look around to find something else. But if you're really going to choose between these two, then I would say go for this one if connection is a priority for you. If music is a priority, then you go for this one. But like I said, in my review, I did have some problems with the connection on this one. But like I also said, it could be my unit. But if you want to chance it anyway, then you go for this one if the music is important to you. And it is running SBC and AAC. And when I switched from AAC to SBC, it did make it louder and a little bit richer, but not necessarily better. So that's too bad. I think that's all I have to say about it. It's still really nice. And yeah, something that's really stupid. I don't really know why they did it. This side is actually your left side, and the left side is your right side. So it's not the end of the world, but this is where it should be. Right side, left side, left side. So that's it. The 538 and the 558. In the future, I said, I really like this one, and definitely for that price, I am gonna order the next one, a black one, and now I'm gonna try to order the right one. So this was actually a mistake, but it's okay. Still, for listening to music at night. Like I said, if I'm gonna be working in the garden and I have to choose one to listen to music with, it's gonna be this one. But for sleeping, I would use this one just because of the stable connection. So yeah, that's what I gotta say about that. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I don't know when the next video is coming out. I'm gonna try to, hopefully in 2 weeks' time, but it could also be a little bit longer. I was actually thinking about stopping, but I really like doing this. You know, it's my little project, and I don't really think it's going anywhere, but I enjoy doing it. It's been, you know, a rough few months. I don't really have a lot of time, and of course, the wife got diagnosed, and so that's, kind of tired, physically, but mentally also. So just so many things going on. That's why the videos are coming out slower. And of course, I have my other channel, my main channel, Lance-reviews&more. And I was busy working on my German videos, but now I'm going to be like slowing down a bit also. Yeah, I was thinking about just, stopping completely, but I'm going to keep doing it because I like it. I think when you're feeling overwhelmed, you should also keep doing the things that you enjoy. So that's why. But I'm going to pace myself. Don't want to burn myself out or anything like that. Thank you all so much for checking out the video. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will definitely get back to you. Okay, thank you. See you next time.